The next NFT collection I want to talk about is the Thingies. These guys have taken the Twitterverse by storm recently with launch of their phase 1. Now the Thingies are these 3D fluffy spider looking things that are actually artificial intelligence backed artists. They feature an embedded brain that is trained by AI, and in this implementation allows for artistic creation. It forms part of the sister protocol, the Altered State Machine, which we'll get to later in this video. The Thingies were a free airdrop for all FLUF holders and offer the first utility with the Altered State Machine token ASTO. The ASTO token is used to buy moon rocks, which are fed to the Thingies each time its owner would like it to create a new artwork. This helps cover the costs of the GPU cycles involved in creating the artwork. Moon rocks can be purchased in packs of 10 at a cost of $20 worth of ASTO. And if you want to encourage your Thingy to get to work on its next creation, you need to feed it one moon rock. Over the next several hours, it will get busy generating its next piece of AI art. And once it's finished, you'll be able to view the artwork and decide if you would like to mint it and commit it to the Ethereum blockchain at the cost of another moon rock. Alternatively, if you don't want to mint the artwork, you can discard it and start the process all over again, and your Thingy will get to work on its next creation. Now, it's worth noting that these Thingies have different levels of rarity, largely based on the backpack that they hold. The backpacks help to determine the style of art that their Thingies will create, and as it currently stands, certain backpacks can only paint certain types of artworks, which by design makes certain artworks rarer and harder to get your hands on. Now, it has been hinted in the Discord that you'll be able to change the fur type of your Thingy by using one of the artworks as its fur. This makes me believe there's going to be heavy gamification in future phases, and it might drive collectability of certain types of artwork. Some savvy collectors are going hard after the Masterpiece Ones, which is the first work from each Thingy. And as you can see, some of these works are absolutely stunning. The names of the artwork are also AI generated and may also have an impact on future phases of gamification. It's also been hinted that in future phases, Thingies will be able to create 3D objects and 3D worlds. It sure feels like the pumpkin backpack Thingies may inspire some of what we see in Gods and Goblins, and maybe the fairy backpacks are creating objects for their new world. In any case, the launch of the Thingies is something that's truly unique in the NFT space. It's great to see this level of innovation in action. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and maybe consider watching one of my other videos. Bunnies up!